business owners, contractors, tradesmen, fleet managers. We want to make your life so much easier here at DGs Protect. Do you have 3 VINs or more? Well, of course you do. And that's why you need to hear this. So what can DGs Protect do for you? Well, hey, that's easy. For those types of companies out there that need this kind of support, we have lots of offerings. We offer priority scheduling, including evenings, just for our fleets. We have obviously a discounted rate per hour to keep you going. You know, we want you in, we want you fixed, we want you back on the road as quick as possible. Parts? Hey, that's an easy one too. We're offering those at trade cost to you. Why? Because you don't need to go shopping for that dollar and that value of that part. That's our job to make sure you're getting the best bang for your buck. Picking up and dropping off, hey, that's no problem either. We're gonna go to your business, we're gonna get them back to you when you need them back, no later. And we're gonna make sure we keep that maintenance at a fixed price too. That way you know what you're paying on a monthly basis. We also, as an added bonus, have that on-site service call. So if you do have that breakdown and you're not at home, we make sure we get out to you and get you going again. All right, so then we get to the rewards, the fun part. Well, let's start with warranty. Hey, if you've got a newer vehicle and it's got OEM warranty, that's no big deal. DGs Protect on a regular basis gets those vehicles down to the dealer if it's a warrantable issue. We get them fixed, we get them back here. That way you have pickup and drop-offs coming from us and you don't have to make those extra dealer trips. We've got that taken care of. If it's in-house warranty, hey, that's easy too. It's, as they say, it's a no problem, man. Everything is gonna be all right. That way you're getting predictable vehicle expenses, which is what you need. You know, we wanna make sure that you understand that maintenance is much more inexpensive than obviously those unwanted repairs. Keep those unwanted repairs down to a minimum. We're taking care of there. Annual safeties, no problem. We've got all of those things taken care of, and 99% of what's done is all done in-house. Alignments, etc., air conditioning, etc. It's all taken care of right here. Professional service is super important to us at DGs. That way we're making sure that our technicians have the highest quality tools so they can get the best service to you, because that's what you expect. Last big point, the personalized support from this guy right here. I make sure that my customers know what they need to know. If we're shopping for new vehicles, we're gonna give you the opinion of a professional technician, unbiased, so you have what you need in your fleet at all times. Remember, you're the owner. You take care of your customers. Let us take care of your total vehicle needs. Worry about your customer, not about how you're gonna get to that customer. Because with DGs, you're always gonna get there. Sound pretty great? I know, because we set it up. Make sure you give us a call and let's have a chat.